Let us take some time to look at how the garden is changing from early spring, May 1st to May 9th. Hello and welcome to Catherine's Garden. I am so anxious to see the blooms of this apple tree. Yes, I'm excited to see this. I can't wait until they fully open. And it's amazing. I think this red is a little more darker. And this one is the red Macintosh blossom looks a little more deeper than the Gravenstein apple. This looks so beautiful from the back end here. I really like how it looks. And the apple blossoms are so pretty. Look at that. And this apple tree is grafted with many different types. I have Gravenstein apples, red Macintosh, Cortland apple, and what else? Honeycrisp apple. So these are all the different blooms. So pretty. This is Gravenstein. Look how this bed has filled out. So pretty. This daffodil has bloomed. Look at it. It's so different. I love that. Look at that. And it's there popping with that little red tulip. A lot of people don't like red tulips, but I love red tulips. I think that's so beautiful. And here are my pink ones. Still doing well. This bed is coming around nicely. Look, here are my lilies. They're rising. They look so good. There's something about when the grass has just been cut, and this is the first cut for the year, for this spring 2019, May 2019. It's just beautiful. These tulips are holding up nicely also. I like that. And I have some on this bed as well. Now this is amazing down here. These tulips. They're kind of late blooming, but they almost look like peonies. And they match so well with these purple, very royal purple. Along with these daffodils, the creamy white daffodils. Absolutely pretty. Back there, my daffodils that I planted, they're finished. There's just a few blooms left, but the hydrangeas are coming up nicely. It is just looking so pretty. Can you hear the birds? Yeah. Now I planted these lupin here. This is a new fresh plant for me, the lupin. And this yellow plant here too. Let's see. This is Coreopsis. And fennel. I planted some fennel there too to go with the lupin. But soon these alliums are going to open up and it's going to be just beautiful. My lilies are coming up strong, looking so pretty. This bed is nice too. It's full of alliums. I like how these ferns look here. And the rhododendron back there, very pretty. This is the first grass cutting for the season, and this is May 9th, and it is looking so beautiful. The fruit trees are blooming, the hostas are up. Everything's just looking spectacular. The trees are leafing out. They're providing the privacy that is so needed for the summer. And my tulips are still looking good. May 2019. Beautiful. this is what the front garden looks like. And I put in the peppers. These are peppers here. But they seem like they got a little burnt. They're called ghost peppers. They felt the effects of the cold. But still, I think they'll rebound. Over here are the red tulips. The pansies are still hanging in there. And I planted the rest of the peppers here. These other peppers seem to have done a little better. They're doing a little better. Alisa. And this one is California. Let's see. California Wonder. So, we're still having cool nights here in Boston. But hopefully it will warm up soon so that my peppers won't die. So this is what it looks like so far. The tulips are on their last leg, but they're holding up pretty much. I really like how the lilac bush is filling out, and even some of the buds are starting to open up. I'm also getting some of the bleeding hearts over there to open up. They're the same color as the tulips, which looks very pretty. And even this bee balm, the edges of it has the similar color. It's almost like a kind of maroony edge to it, which is really nice. Now check out these tulips. I really like how they've grown and faded into this new color. Before they were looking kind of yellowy, creamy color, and I didn't think it was the same as the package, but it really ended up being just that. Now the grass has just been cut. Look at that fresh green grass. Absolutely beautiful. My peonies are getting taller here. They're growing in. And the rose bushes too. The rose bush that I planted from Home Depot seems to be doing very well here. And it'll catch itself. It's a climber, so it will take up the space soon. And these other plants are doing very well as too. The geraniums are starting to bud, and they will have their little blooms soon. The things are looking good. I like how this rose bush, Rosa rugosa, the white, is looking here. So healthy and green. And then my iris there with the tick seed and the geranium.